Alright guys, you're welcome to AYA Cosmetic Nigeria. As a matter of fact, this is your remake, you know what I mean? Okay, if today is your first time you're popping into this channel, I would want you to really subscribe for us, please subscribe. And if you're a returning subscriber, come on, copy the link and share, Also hit on the notification buttons, that you can always get us whenever we upload new video, you know what I mean? Okay, for those of you who want to buy a recipe, yes, I tell you, just call on the number on your screen, being wherever you are in the US, Canada, Asia, UK, Europe, wherever you are, in other Africa countries as well, you know what I mean? You can always count on us, Yes, real talk, our stuff, they are original. Our skincare recipe, they are original. Please, I would want you to tell this before now, but let me just use this opportunity to say, some of you will go buy recipe and buy fake. Why not buy from us? It's your problem, but at the same time I sympathize with you guys, buy from us and stop calling Ada for recipe. Ada doesn't sell recipe, you know what I mean? Ada doesn't sell recipe. It's only AYA Cosmetic Nigeria sell recipe, and you can always call at us at any time. Shout us up via the number on your screen, or you can call us. Now I want to tell you something also. You can buy, I want to tell you also, buy this cream. Just order for this cream. This is the best cream that you can get. 7 shades. So what I mean 7 shades, for real, I ain't telling you lies. For real, you can get 7 shades with this cream. Yes, I'm telling you. And the name of this cream is just a simple name you can pronounce anywhere you go. Just pronounce the name, which is Irish Lady Body White, aka Yellow CC. Irish Lady Body White, aka Yellow CC. Sorry that I didn't put the label on this one, you know what I mean? Also, it's on kg as well. You can get it if you need 1 kg. You can get it if you need an ml, whatever, any of the ml, you can get it. Now, Tada, what do we got today? A lot of people, they've been looking for strong oil. What oil you are really looking for? Oil that can really make your cream boost, or oil that can make your cream turn or sharper part. Is that what you're looking for? Now I got one for you. They call this one. I don't want to say this, because some people you missing when it comes to oil. Why not come to us? I'll be sampling you guys a lot of oils on my videos, Whenever I go to the shop, I sample a lot of oils, Now that is why I said, let me sample you this one. Look at it. I just bring a sample for you. I tell you, Retalk, if you're looking for the oil to boost your cream, if you're looking for the oil to boost your soap, if you're looking for any kind of oil you want to use it for, this oil is dope. Yes, this oil is dope. They call it Malawi oil. I tell you, Malawi oil. It's not too anywhere. If you want to get Malawi oil, y'all need to pop with us. Y'all need to come check us out. I mean, come on. If you don't get this, it's your problem. This oil, like if you put it on your cream, just small. You don't need to put small. If you put one cover like this on 1 kg, or you put it on 500 ml, come on, I tell you, Retalk, you'll be the one to tell everybody about this oil. Malawi. If y'all want to buy Malawi oil, just call at us. Call at AYA Cosmetic Nigeria. We're the best. Listen, we don't disappoint. We ship everywhere. So go call for your Malawi oil right now, for real. I tell you, Retalk. I know a lot of people who patronize us, like I tell them, yes, you don't need, just go use it. Just go use it. Yes, just go use it and come give us testimony about it. How this oil work, Malawi oil. Just if you want to make your base cream, you want to make your whitening base cream, Snow White, whatever you want to premix, use Malawi oil. Yes, that is the trending oil right now. I tell you, trending oil. All the skincare houses, they be patronizing me less. They be patronizing me. Yes, they might not say yes, but I don't care about if they say it or not. But they be patronizing me. They be buying from me. Malawi oil. You can buy it and give it your own name, fine. But this name, Malawi, let it be the original, and it's only AY Cosmetic Nigeria where you can get Malawi oil. Look at it. No be ojoro. Look am. You see am? Malawi oil. I brought it so that you just a sample, because some people say, oh, I need an oil that will make my cream go smoothly. I want to whiten it. Like, listen, you want to get white? This is it. A whitening excessive oil. If you put it just small into your cream, and no blemishes, it's not going to cause any effect. You're making your soap, you can put it. You're making your whitenings, you can put it. You're making your lightening cream, you can put it. So it's all depend on you what you really want. It's all depend on you. I see no reason why you're not going to say you love good thing. So if you love good thing, come for this Malawi oil. Okay, it's a quick one. Yes. Like I told you about our app that is coming up, they're still working on it, and also I told you how I'll be answering your questions. Any question, just drop your comment on the comment box below. Yes, just drop your comment. And for those of you who be calling Ada for recipe, stop calling Ada for recipe. I'm the one who said recipe. And I have other product also, like as I told you about this mulatto. We have the scrub for the mulatto. It can give you what I said, 7 shade whiter. You go get whiter. I tell you, it's not a joke. Yes, Irish lady body white. It will give you that shade, I tell you. Read talk about that. So as for you who want to get this Malawi oil, ball at us. You just see the number on your screen, call it. Yes, you want to buy your skincare recipe, or organic ingredient, how you want to call it, it's your problem. Just pronounce it. But I just know you want to buy something from us. You know what I mean? Just call at us. Be in the US, Canada, Asia country, Europe, UK, Africa country as well, close to me. Like I'm in the Africa country right now. Yes, other neighboring Africa country. Come. We give you good hospitality, fair price. Some lady was crying, oh, I would have buy from you. I go shop online, and what I found out, I just found out that these people, they do me ojoro. So that is it. This no be ojoro. You can use this. Just put small into your cream. Put small. It's not what I say. It's not going to give you any wrong effect other than the right effect you want to see, because you want to get white. Is a whitening oil. Malawi is a whitening oil. Look at it. It's a whitening oil. We love you, Malawi. We love you. The world love you. You've come to save us. Oh man, retalk. Go for this. And one more thing again, like a lot of people, they be trying to talk to me on this, that come on, we love your style, your concept. Yeah, use the concept for us to train us in here. We love this concept. Right now we just want to talk about face cream, how we can make face cream. Trust me, I mean, that's the next video we'll be giving to you guys. Yes, AYA Cosmetic Nigeria. That's the next video. We'll be talking about face cream and how we can conceptualize a face cream. How we can promise a face cream. Then as for those of you who really want this, you want to know how to mix, you want to know this. You want a personal training, one-on-one training. You can come to my inbox or WhatsApp and inbox me wherever you are. Being in Europe, Asia country, Canada, US, you want a training, perfect training. Yes, you can just inbox me, depend on what you really want. Now for those of you who do come, they'll say, I want to learn this, and they have no idea of what they want to learn. They say, just give me a recipe for this, blah, blah, blah. How would you just come meet someone up and say, give me a recipe for what you don't even have idea of? Please, desist from that habit. You know what I mean? Just desist from it. Doesn't really matter. passionate you into it. Only what you need to do, first of all, learn something. When you learn something, and that you can ask, okay, give me recipe for this, it will work that way. So don't forget, like when I said, I was coming back online again, and the next video we're going to do is how to promix a face cream. And like a lot of face cream that I'll be seeing right now, I won't condemn anyone, but this face cream, I'll tell you, it have no wrong effect. The face cream I'll teach you, it has no wrong effect, rather the right effect that you're going to use and to make your face brighter, lighter, whitening, like everybody going to say, yes, I love this face. That when you look at your man face, your man will swallow spit. Yeah, this is my wife. When you look at your whether you want to look at it, like say, I love this face, because sometimes some cream can be annoying, some face cream can be annoying, so that is why also we try to make some good oil. We compose some good solution to make good oils as well. Also, don't forget, I keep singing about Malawi. I'm about to check out now, and also I want to remind you about this again. Irish Ladies Body White, aka Yellow CC. You there just watching, and this thing is going. I told you, we have it in kgs, we have it in ml also. So don't dull yourself. Go get your copy now. When I mean copy, this is the original copy, only in AYA Cosmetic Nigeria. That is where you will see Irish Lady Body Wipe. Irish Ladies Body Wipe, the real cream that will give you 7 shades. No bribe me, or I'm telling you the truth. You hear me? So no verse say, why this guy keeps saying about this cream, because it tastes what it tastes, So we've come to the end of this class, Don't forget the number on your screen. That's the only number you can use to reach me. Yes, you want to buy your recipe or organic ingredient, call out this number. I'll be dropping different video regards to what we sell. When I go to the shop, anytime I adapt to the shop, I make sure I video and I show you guys for you to see. It's not ojoro, it's real. So I've told you about Malawi also. Now I'm about to sign out. I'll leave this with you. If today is your first time you bopping into here, please, I beg you, with the name of Jesus Christ, subscribe. God will bless you. You know what I mean? That's great. And don't forget, on our Instagram handle is AY Cosmetic Nigeria. On Facebook, AY Cosmetic Nigeria. Even our personal YouTube, another personal YouTube so dear to us, is AY Cosmetic Nigeria. Go subscribe. And even this glow up we are that we there, so yes, us you see we there, so subscribe also. You know what I mean? As a matter of fact, bless ya until I come your way next video.